In this guide, I'll show you how to use the Xbox app as a controller on your Xbox Series S or X. So for the initial setup, you will need a controller to go to Settings on your console, and then scroll down to Devices and Connections, and go to Remote Features. Now once you're here, go to Power Options and make sure it's set to Sleep, and then go back and turn on Enable Remote Features. Now you want to go onto your phone and download the Xbox app for free and sign into the same Microsoft account you're using on your Xbox. So once you've done that, from the home screen, select the devices icon in the top right corner, and then we're going to select Add a Console and go to Add an Existing Console. So here it's going to show you the steps to set up remote features. The only last thing you need to do is ensure that both your phone and console are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and then go to Next at the bottom. So give it a couple of seconds as it tries to connect, and then after a couple of seconds you'll see it's now connected, and then select Enable on your console, and you can also test Remote Play if you'd like. So if you have a look on your phone, you can give your Xbox a name. I'm just going to go to Next at the bottom, and then select Done. So now that it's all set up, going forwards, from the home screen on the Xbox app, select the devices icon in the top right corner, and you'll now be able to see your Xbox console, which if you tap on it, you'll be able to use the remote control near the top, and when you tap on the remote control, you'll be able to actually use it on your Xbox. So here you can see it's responding while I'm using this controller. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.